Chapter 3, The World of Microorganisms, Part 1. So, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms means the organisms are small or minute which cannot be seen with our naked eye. Small microorganisms. So, world of microorganisms means organisms की दुनिया. Small organisms की दुनिया. The study of microorganisms known as microbiology. Now coming to our lesson, tell me, why do we add few drops of buttermilk to lukewarm milk to make curd? Or why does cooked food get spoiled after some days? Why do we get bad smell from our mouth after we wake up in the morning? So in this chapter, we will try to find out what may be involved in causing such changes. So here, 400 years back, several people wondered or surprised over such questions and they tried to find out the answers. One such person was Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He is the Antony van Leeuwenhoek. So here the story of microscope invention and discovery of microorganisms. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was born in 1674. He was a Dutch scientist and fabric merchant. Fabric merchant means cloth merchant. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology. He is the best known for his work on the improvement of the microscope. His keen observation helped him to discover small living organisms in 1678. When Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed a drop of lake water through a lens which he had developed, Leeuwenhoek built a single lens powerful microscope which could magnify the object 300 times. 300 times the object can magnify by this single lens powerful microscope. The secret invention of Leeuwenhoek is making powerful microscope. His observation helped him to discover small living organisms. In 1678, he called them animalcules. So, Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed the small moving organisms. In 1678, he named them as animalcules. Later, it was named as bacteria. So, along with this, he observed other microorganisms under his microscope, which were named later on. So, along with the moving organisms, so he observed other microorganisms also, microscopic organisms, and it was later named. So now let us see what are microorganisms and where we find them. Microorganisms. So we can see several organisms in our surroundings, but we cannot see some of them with our naked eyes. They can be seen only with the help of a microscope. Group of microorganisms. Let us study some microorganisms that belongs to the group like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, microarthropods with the help of some activities. Bacteria are the microorganisms which are small and are of many shapes. We can find bacteria anywhere in our surroundings. These are the different shapes of bacteria present in our surroundings. Here is the activity of observing bacteria. That is activity 3. Aim to observe the bacteria in buttermilk. Buttermilk means chhach. What are the apparatus required? That is buttermilk, slide, microscope, lamp, crystal violet stain. It is a stain. Now procedure. Take 1 or 2 drops of buttermilk on a slide and spread it. Heat the slide gently on a lamp 3 to 4 seconds. Heating. Then add a few drops of crystal violet stain and leave it for 30 to 60 seconds. Wash the slide gently with water. Observe the slide under the microscope. So you have to take 1 or 2 drops of buttermilk on a slide. You have to spread it. Then heat the slide gently for 3 to 4 seconds. Then add a crystal violet stain and leave it for 30 to 60 seconds. Then wash the slide gently, not all the material. Then observe that slide under the microscope. So you will observe the lactobacillus bacteria in the buttermilk. Fungi are the group of microorganisms which are non-green multicellular plants which grows on bread, pickles and vegetables. You can see the fungi on leather goods also. Usually, after the rainy season, you might have seen some small umbrella-like growth over rotten materials of dump waste between the grasses in a field and edges of wet rotten wooden planks. And on vegetables also you can see the fungi, and you have observed the white patches on the bark of the trees. These patches are formed due to fungi. Now look at this activity. To observe the fungi, here is an activity. So what is our aim? To observe the fungi in bread. Apparatus required: the spoiled part of bread, जो खराब रहता bread वो लेना है. Needle, water, cover slip, microscope, slide. Procedure: take a piece of spoiled part of bread with the help of a needle on a slide. Put a drop of water, place a cover slip on it and observe the slide under microscope. You have to take a piece of spoiled part of bread with the help of a needle on a slide, then put a drop of water and place a cover slip, then observe the slide under the microscope. So what you will observe? You observe, or we observe, the rhizopus fungi, bread mold growing on the spoiled bread. So you can see the fungus growing on that bread.